it's Rafika. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my first PR unboxing. So if you want to see that, keep watching. So I got PR from Glossier. Look at how cute their boxes are. Ooh. I picked it up from my little mailbox yesterday or the day before, and they sent me some stuff. So I can't wait to see everything that's in this box. I am like so excited because this is like my first time ever getting PR. And Glossier is such a nice brand, like especially their hyaluronic acid, which I just ran out of, is amazing, and honestly probably honestly my most favorite product to ever exist. Ooh, okay, it says skin first, makeup second, smile always. Their boxes always see this. I don't know if it's focusing. Ooh, and it comes in a little bag. Oh, they sent me the Body Hero Daily Oil Wash and the Body Hero Daily Perfecting Cream, because you know a girl can't be dry. I need this too. And so if you guys ever order from Glossier, their products always come in these little, they're like, what is this called? Bubble wrap bags, and they zip up. I have, oh, they're not over here anymore, but I have like 5 of them, and they're so good for when you're traveling. Like, it's so easy to pack your makeup in them. So that's what was all in that box. And Glossier packaging is some of the best, especially because their theme is more like millennial pink, so everything's so cute. Ooh, okay, so in this next box, looks like this. I got the Super Bounce Hyaluronic Acid Serum and the brand new Glossier Zit Stick, which I was really excited for. And then I got the Cloud Paint and Dusk. I already have Storm. They're like the 2 that are made for, why is it focusing? Darker skin tones. Next, I got the Haloscope Dew Effect Highlighter, the Topaz. Oh my gosh, so I swatched this while I was in their headquarters, and this stuff is amazing. Like, the highlight, the dew it gives you is out of this world. Then I got the Glossier Priming Rich Moisturizer, which I already own, but this is honestly my favorite moisturizer. It keeps my skin hopping, so I'm glad I have another one. And then I got the Mega Greens Galaxy Pack Detoxifying Face Mask in Mega Green. Oh, I want to smell it. Hold on. Ooh, herbal. I forgot what's in here, but it's like really good stuff. This is what it looks like. And then I got the Moisturizing Moon Mask, the Soothing Face Treatment. Oh, and there's something else in here too. It's the Glossier You Perfume. Oh, I actually already have this. It's right here. I love this stuff. Like, it smells amazing. Okay, but that was everything I received from Glossier. I'm so excited and grateful that I received all these products from them. I just want to say thank you so much to everyone from Glossier who sent me these products, and I appreciate it so much. I cannot wait to put these all into action. And if you guys want a review on like anything I got, like the moon mask or the Haloscope or whatever, if you guys want to see a video on that, don't forget to comment that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you're notified every time I post. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, Girl Scouts.